Hey guys, it's been a minute, so I thought I would make a quick video and just wanted to give you an update on Poshmark because it's probably been about 6 months now that I've been using Poshmark, and during that time I've actually accumulated, I think it's like 320,000 followers, which is pretty insane. And obviously that's just because I was lucky enough to become a Posh ambassador. So it means when someone signs up to Poshmark in Australia, they have to follow a certain, couple of people, and the Posh ambassadors are those people. So it just means that you accumulate a crazy amount of followers, which is nuts. But I mean, has that meant more sales? No, it hasn't. So in the 6 months I've been on Poshmark, I've actually had 9 sales, which is okay, but it's definitely not anything compared to eBay, so take it as it is. But and I know that it's the same for the other guys who I know that are also resellers and are also Poshmark ambassadors. Amount of sales really isn't there, but I mean, I'm not sharing my closet like every day and doing all of that stuff, which I think you're supposed to do if you want to get lots of sales on Poshmark. It's definitely an effort to potentially get sales, and there's a few hoops that you have to kind of jump through, I guess. And as soon as I kind of signed up and I kind of put all my details in for my account, straight away I got hit by a bot that was like just kind of wanted to give me discounts. So there are people using bots on it. I know it's probably frowned at by Poshmark themselves, but there definitely are people using bots on it. It's how you get kind of engagement. So I'm not condoning that, but I'm just saying people are doing that. Yeah, so that's my thoughts on Poshmark. Whether you feel like it would be something worth investing the time in, just going to stick with other platforms like eBay. Choice is yours, but I thought I'd just give you just a quick rundown from my perspective. And I guess if you have any questions about it, just put your name in the comments down below. Oh, and also just wanted to do actually opening, because I actually bought my first item from Poshmark, which is cool. I just had a credit on there. I haven't used it, and then kind of came across something I thought was kind of cool, so I decided that I'd buy it. So I'm just going to do that now, just open it. One of the other annoying things, I guess, with Poshmark is using Sendle, so it doesn't use Australia Post. I made a mistake. I didn't have my actual address because I've just moved in there, so it was the address I had was the local post office, but it didn't even go to the post office. It went to like a news agency, and I had to go pick it up from the news agency. But anyway, got it. So it is sweet. Cool, man. I know I need to kind of try and buy less clothes that are black, but it is what it is. Black hoodie. Thank you, Bucky's Vintage, for that. I really appreciate that. And I'm going to put you can follow him on Instagram, but thank you very much for that, sir. And yeah, that was the other thing. The one thing that just kind of is annoying, but it's like, don't see a straightforward way to actually contact a buyer, the person who doesn't appear to be like a really straightforward way to do that, which is insane to me. So I actually had to go to Instagram to actually be able to have a conversation with him, because there wasn't really a way to do it in Poshmark that I could see. And so there's just kind of like clunky things like that need to be really easy for you to be able to do, to be able to contact someone and kind of converse with someone, about things. But anyway, it is what it is. That's just a few thoughts on Poshmark. So yeah, whether you decide to use it, that's it. But also, haven't been putting any videos on this channel for a while. I've been focusing on photography. But if you are keen and you're interested, you want me to keep making stuff, just let me know in the comments. And if I do get like a few people saying, hey, yeah, continue to kind of making stuff, then I'll make an effort. But want to hear from you guys. Let me know. That's it for now.